Now continue the competition argument that you are trying for your constituency. How do you see yourself?
Victorious. It's been a long wait. It's been 1 month. We had to wait for the results. Everything looks good. I've been getting a lot of phone calls over the last 2 days wishing me congratulations. People have shown their love and support during the election, post-election, during this last whole month. The last 2 days have been very, very exciting. Everyone is anxious. Everyone is at the edge of their seats, looking forward to what today brings. So in a couple of hours, I'm sure the results of MAPSA will be out, and simultaneously all other bypolls as well as the Lok Sabha. So let's see how it turns out.
What are the prospects you feel for your party as far as all the 6 seats are concerned?
The party is very confident for getting all 4 seats, but let's see once the results are.
Thank you.
Yeah.